Cleaning. Working place. Y'all want to clean with me today? Oh, I've got everything out. I'm working it in here. Trust me. Makes me wonder what's been under here all these years that I didn't know of. Oh, can you see? Can you see it? Uh-oh. Okay. That's the line of water to the ice maker. Yeah. Looks better already in here, guys. Look at that. Getting it cleaned up. Woo! Okay. It's really dark under there, but I am Swiffering it. You're getting it. You're getting it done. Yeah. Some of that woodwork back there is looking rough. Whew. Okay. I got it out. Yes, and this is the stuff that was under there. I kid you not. I did use some good, clean it good, even though I don't know if that's what was under there. I hope not. But it got the stains out. And this is the best bags ever to recycle. Those are Myers. This is all of those. Leftover bowls. This is an ice maker, or you can make some pops with that. Cute little bitty Recycle Me. This got in there by mistake. And there's a kitty bowl in there. I know. This, I really think, since all of these were under there, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the dishwasher, especially since there's a little creepy crawly. I'm sorry, I just don't do spiders, and he's no longer a spider. He's just trash. So I think I'm going to put these in the dishwasher and not put it on the heat dry. That way we can get all of these washed good and sanitized. Let's see. There's a few more up here that I went ahead and threw up here because I knew they looked like they needed a good run through the dishwasher. So that's what's getting ready to happen. And then I'm going to make me a vanilla protein shake. Yes, I am. Throw a little yogurt in there with the plain yogurt. So see what happens. See what happens. This bag is Mama's bag of working in the garden stuff. I'm gonna work in the garden with all of the stuff, y'all. Look at the seeds. I should have planted that this year. Maybe next time. Gloves, seeds that Mama and I saved. There's a lot of things you can do with that. Talente, whatever it's called. That wonderful ice cream container that we all love to recycle. Yeah, there's some in there that need to go in the dishwasher. So I'm going to get those lined up. Oh, look, from my sweet baby to Mimi from the grandkids. Mimi, we all love you so very, very much. Thank you, Sweet Elle, for writing that. Mimi appreciates the love. I do. So, whew, doing some little cleanup in here. I did a thing before I went on my walk, and Maya and I, we invited Lucky with us, and we did a little walk, and I brought this Ice Mountain spring water with me, but this is what's in it. If you know me, you know me. I love lemonade. I'm out of breath already because I was mopping. I was doing a little mopping and stuff, and whew, let me walk around this. I don't want to fall again. I took a big tumble the other day, and it was no fun. I'm still dealing with the bruises from, yes, I am so thankful for you all coming along with me on this journey. And guess what? Guess what? This girl has lost 10 pounds in 14 days.